Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this kind of crazy look. I really like the way it turned out. I think it's fun, it's different, and it's giving me just the happy vibes. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Okay guys, I'm not really sure where this look is heading, but we're just going to do it. I'm going to set my lids. I don't have a primer on today, but I used my Fenty concealer, and I know my makeup ain't going nowhere. So today I'm going to use two different eyeshadow brands. I'm going to go in with Melt Cosmetics. She's in Parties. So She's in Parties is this upper stack here. And I'm going to first take the shade, what is this? Last Caress. And I'm going to take this fluffy brush. I'm going to apply this to the outer corner. And then bring it up into the crease. So I just had, I had someone reach out to me earlier this week about getting a makeup lesson, and in particular they had concerns about hyperpigmentation. Apparently this person got waxed and she started to develop some darkness around her upper lip. So she described it as basically like having a mustache. So I was expecting to see something pretty bad, but I told her that I felt confident in my skills and that I would be able to help her. So she ended up booking me, and she just left not that long ago. But honestly, guys, it wasn't bad. She was definitely fair, and she worked outside. She was a horticulturist, and the sun exposure definitely doesn't help. I'm switching brushes. I'm taking this Refer 02 brush or 01 brush, and now I'm going to take the shade Mean Streak. So she was very self-conscious. She didn't wear makeup. She wasn't a makeup person, but she just wanted like a quick everyday look and really focus on counteracting the darkness around her lip. So long story short, she was very happy with the overall look and the appearance or lack of the darkness around her mouth. She was telling me that she was feeling so insecure about it that it was really starting to affect her life. Like she really wasn't going out much. It was really powerful to give this lady back her confidence, or somewhat, because I'm sure she'll still have days where she just feels defeated. But this is where I think about it and I'm like, makeup is powerful. And I know that a lot of people think it's just a superficial thing. And maybe it is, right? Of course, there's some vanity behind it, but there's nothing more empowering than being able to make someone feel good about themselves and feel like they can, I'm going back with the lighter shade, feel like they can get past a difficult moment. So it was a nice session, to say the least. I'm going to take Mean Streak again and just layer that on the outer corner. Now I am going to take, I don't know, let's go with this one. This is a Sydney Grace shadow, and this is in the shade, this is in Twisted Shifter. I'm actually going to apply this with my finger. And then I'm going to take the brush where I had Mean Streak, and I'm just going to blend these so that it doesn't look harsh. I hope you guys can see how beautiful this color is. All right, now I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to take the shade Skeleton Kiss. And I'm going to use this to just highlight the inner corner, but I think I'm going to use it wet. So I'm bringing it to the inner corner, but don't worry about it because we are going to go back in with Twisted Shifter and make sure that we don't lose. It's going to look really pretty layered on top of Skeleton Kiss because it'll change the color of it a little bit. Yeah, so it looks really pretty. Let's wet it again. Alright guys, look at how pretty this is. Okay, so this look is going to definitely need a liner. And we will do that. But first I'm going to take Skeleton Kiss on my flat brush. And I'm going to use that to highlight right at the arch. And then I'm going to blend it. So I'm going to blend it back and down. And then bring whatever's left on the brush forward. And I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with the first shade that we used, which was Last Caress. And I'm going to use that to blend the edges out. And then remember guys, one of my eyes is a little funky, so I have to make sure that they look even. I'm going to take Skeleton Kiss and I'm going to use that also to highlight the high point of my cheek. Actually, let's connect it. There you go. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with my liner. This is my Benefit Roller Lash Liner. And I'm going to line my eye. I really like the way this makeup turned out. Yeah, so you definitely needed a liner. I'm debating on whether I want to wing it out. And I went for it. And she has wings. Ta-da! Pretty even wings too. So I'm going to take a little bit of this yellow powder by Makeup Forever. And I'm just going to use that to mattify the center of my face. I'm going to take Antique Rose by Sephora Collection. And I'm going to apply this. We definitely need to add some liner, so I'm going to take my flat brush and I'm going to take Last Caress and I'm going to use that to smoke my lower lash line out. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is by Smith Cosmetics. And I'm going to take Mean Streak and I'm going to use this to really get close to the lashes. And I'm going to take a little bit of Cappuccino by Anastasia and just add some warmth. In my waterline, I'm going to use Marc Jacobs pencil in, what is this? Mist Me. This is one of my favorite pencils. I'm going to use this in the waterline. It did very little because this is just such an intense look. Okay, so I'm going to take this Sephora Collection lip stain and this is in 23. This is not the color I thought it was, but I like it. And I'm going to go over it with one of the luster mattes. I think this is mauve something. I can't even see the color anymore. I've had this for a while. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This is I feel like it's one of my cooler looks. Cool toned, that is. But I do really like the way it turned out. I think it's vampy in its own way. Very mauve, very fall. I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below letting me know if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos. And I'll talk to you soon. Okay, I'm back. I felt like I needed a little something something. So I'm taking, what is this? I'm taking The Greatest Gift, and this is also by Sydney Grace. And I'm going to take this and just apply, look at how pretty this is. I'm gonna pop it right in the middle here. And I'm gonna take my flat brush and just kind of blend these in. And I purposely had The Greatest Gift extend into the liner. I like the way that looks. Just a little different. And all I'm doing now is just blending the shades together. I like the way it turned out. I like it. I really like it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed my final version, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.